To clear the local database in Telegram in Android phone, open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon, select settings, and then tap data and storage, and then tap storage music, and then to clear local database, tap clear local database. Clearing the local database will delete the text of cache messages and compress the database to save internal disk space. Telegram needs some data to work, so database size will not reach zero. This operation can take a few minutes to complete. Clear local database if you want to clear local database. Are you sure you want to clear cache text messages? Tap clear if you sure. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.